Welcome to Frontline Image. On this episode, we're here and we have these beautiful trucks that I've been working on, but today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be videotaping other people's beautiful trucks, cars, and outrageous machines that I'm going to be seeing at a couple different shows. There's one a logging truck parade, and there's also a couple other vehicle shows that I want to get to. Got some cool vehicles, cool rides, and cool people. Talk to you later. I love it.
Yeah, this is Heritage Days, and we open up make a few phone calls and ask the trucks to come. And the reason we started this is back in the day when people didn't like the dusty, dirty trucks going through town. And I said to them, well, if they stop going through town, we probably won't have a town. So these guys decided we would show them that they're not just dirty old trucks and they can clean up, and it makes a fantastic start to our day.
You're just a doggone diggity dog. You're just a doggone diggity dog. You've been howling at the moon all night long. You're just a doggone diggity dog.
We've taken this truck down to Yakima, Washington, and Salem, Oregon.
Bow wow. You've been running around making trouble, oh no. And I can't take it no more. Sleeping all day, messing with the ladies all night. Fooling around, just looking for a fight. doggone diggity dog.
Hey, John. I just want to thank all the truckers for coming again. Really appreciate you guys. It's there's not many of us, but I always say not many but mighty. It's great. Thanks for coming. I'm going to turn this over to Tim now. The mayor, sorry.
First of all, thank you for joining us again today. I'd like to acknowledge our gathering this afternoon on the traditional unceded territory of the Subasik people. So we've got some actual wooden trophies for you. We have the longest distance traveled. That would be the Malik and Mosley yellow truck all the way from Souk.
That's for you. And thank you for coming. Thank you.
Most unique truck is the Bennett self-loader skateboard. The oldest truck is the green Rankin, the 55. The best local truck, the Tuck truck.
Your grandpa will be proud.
Again, thank you for coming again this year, guys. We really appreciate it. This is part of our heritage, although we've transitioned from forestry that used to be. We still know it's an important part of our community and our economy, so thank you again.